helps me as a parent reinforce the values that are important to me.
Elongate means to make something longer.
With Word Girl, she's learning these new words, and they aren't things that I taught her. It is just so welcome as a parent to be able to rely on PBS Kids, and I really value that.
You're watching PBS Kids on PBS SoCal, KOCE. Ask your child to count fruits and vegetables as they help in the kitchen.
Joshua, looks like a smoothie. How many fruits and vegetables do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're doing great.
Oopsie.
It's okay.
1, 2.
It's pretty good.
The Los Angeles Zoo supports PBS SoCal's educational kids programs, encouraging you to make any time learning time.
Hi, it's me.